Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Step 3. Cut out the factory forward-rear spare tire crossmember. You can cut the crossmember in half to make it easier to remove. Step 4. After grinding the frame free of rust and debris, slide in the new forward-rear spare tire crossmember by inserting the driver's side first. Then, weld the part on fooling. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Then you're done!